Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to gather brass in 7 Days to Die. I'll go through the starting phase and then go to the end game phase. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and go to skills, and inside of the general perks make sure you've got the lucky looter to the fullest level that you can, because this is going to increase the chance of finding brass inside of things like this fall trash. As you can see, I found 256 brass right here. So search for these fall trash, and if you find any sinks or anything, you want to go ahead and mine these too, because this is going to yield you some brass. And another option is to harvest cars and rooftop air conditioning units to gather some radiators from them, which you can then smelt inside of a forge or scrap them inside of your inventory to make some brass. So just go ahead and scrap any cars using a salvaging tool like the wrench. And as you can see, I've gotten one brass radiator, which when you go ahead and scrap inside of your inventory is going to yield around 200 brass. And also these air conditioning rooftop units can also be scrapped using the wrench or any salvaging tool like the ratchet to have a possibility of dropping the brass radiator. So just go around and scrapping cars and air conditioners to get the brass radiator. And once you've gathered some brass radiators, go ahead and place them inside of the forge for even a bigger yield than just scrapping them inside of your inventory. And once it's done smelting, you can see it has given me 250 brass, whilst when I scrapped it, it gave around 190 only. And when you want to pick out the brass from the forge, just go ahead and click on inside of the resources on brass and pick out 250 by crafting it. And now for the best endgame method is to use these Duke's Casino tokens, which you can get by selling some items in a trader and then just smelting them right here. Every one Duke token is going to equal one brass, so you can get as many as you need using this method. So just pick out any outfits or armor inside of houses and points of interest or already red thematics. And as you can see, the sell price is 160 or 154. And then you can just smelt these Duke's Casino tokens inside of a forge to get many brass. And lastly, there's the option to gather brass from mining some materials, some ores. But on this, you'll need to have the brass miner unlocked inside of the strength mastery. This is going to give you a 5% chance of gaining scrap brass from harvesting ore blocks like coal, iron, lead, and many other things. So these are pretty much the best methods to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.